My name is Nelson Joffrey. I'm here in stem cells. Um, I'm here because I got my left knee um, bone on bone and arthritis, and um, I hope over here they can help me out to have a better quality life. And and the treatment I got over here is perfect. Everybody treat me with respect. They was send me a message. They was making a phone call and asked me if everything was okay. They picked me up from the airport. Um, Today, Daniel, he went to the hotel. They picked me up, bring me to the clinic. I was in the hyperbaric chamber. Now I think I got some kind of cocktail, and I hope the best for me, and they can I can go back to my normal life in a few months or a couple of weeks or whatever it take. I hope I'm in the right place.